This is Seneca and Marlo's baking show. We're gonna make a brownie bread. First we have the flour that we need to make it, and then walnuts, and then vanilla, eggs. What are the eggs? And marshmallows. Yes, our favorite. What do we need? We need marshmallows. So Marlo just put the vanilla in. Mix it. Marlo put some almond milk in the bowl. It's so good, Seneca. So we're going to add a little bit of oil. That's not oil. That's nice. It doesn't look like oil. It's oil. So we're going to put all of this in. And now we're going to mix. Mix it all up. Mix it all up. Whoa, that's chocolatey. Oh, looks yummy. Look at this. Does it taste good? So we're going to pour all of this in there. Oh, that's so chocolatey. We're going to add some almonds. It's going to taste very good, guys. Yes, it's some sprinkles. It's so good. So we're going to add little marshmallow pieces. It's going to taste so good. I want it to be big pieces for it to taste very, very, very good. This is going to be so delicious, right? Yeah. So now it's time to put it in the butter. Gotta shake it for it to be very good. So you're going to take a video of eating the marshmallow. It's so sticky.
You want to take a bite?
It's so sticky.
You don't like it?
No. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you will see more videos of Seneca Marlo video. Don't forget, tap the subscribe button and ring the bell. Bye-bye.